Welcome back to Logic Income Academy. So guys, in this video you're going to learn how you can earn by reading books. So guys, this is free. So now the first thing you simply want to do is simply go to your Play Store. As you can see right here, I'm on my Play Store, and you want to search for Tunnel Bear. Alright, so you guys, we want to make use of Tunnel Bear. As you can see right here, now we have games, we have apps, we have search. So we simply want to change our Play Store from Nigerian Play Store to a USA Play Store, so we can actually download this app that we will be making use of. So guys, now I simply want to search for Tunnel Bear. So you guys, this is something you can get for free. So see right here, I have my own installed already. So guys, you just want to install yours, and after that click on it and change your location to USA. So as you can see right here guys, I have my location um in USA already. As you can see right here, you can see United States. Now guys, what we actually going to do right here is simple. You want to click on where you see your image. So you want to change our our email. You want to switch to another email. Let me say another new email. So you simply want to change from the current email to another right here on your Play Store. So now this is simply what you want to do. So guys, as you can see right here, now we have games, we have apps, we have search, we have books right here. And now you want to click on search to actually download the app that we will be making use of in this video. So guys, and what we are doing right here is totally free. You are not paying nobody to actually do this. So you want to click search for Novelah Lite. So you want to search for Novelah Lite app, Novelah Lite right here. So guys, this is the app that we will be making use of. So as you can see right here, you want to click on the app and install it. So guys, I have installed this. So you want to click on open to actually get started. So guys, this is the app that we are making use of. Guys, on this app you can simply earn money by reading books, by reading novels right here, and it is totally free. So guys, now the first thing I want you to do on this app, you're going to get this invitation code. So guys, now when you actually get points, all right, when actually you on this app, you're going to be earning points, and the points is what you can convert to paper money. So guys, don't worry if you don't have paper and you want me to create one for you. Please drop it in the comment section, guys. At least we need 20 or more than that. All right, so let me know that you are really serious about this. If you want me to actually teach you how you can create a working paper right here in Nigeria or even in Ghana or any other country. So guys, if you want me to do that, please drop the comments in the comment section. And now this is the first thing you want to do. Is if you don't want to come to where you see this invite right here. Now guys, you simply want to make use of the invite code. You're going to get it right here on your screen. So guys, this is the invitation right here, 6289409. You're going to use this. So I'm going to show you how you can use this, and you're going to get some points. All right. So guys, now you can also earn by sharing this with your friends, and when they actually make use of this, you're going to earn more money. All right. So now if you want to come to where you see me right here. So guys, this is where you're going to enter the invitation code. So guys, you want to enter the invitation code right here. When you actually submit it, you're going to get 30,000 points. And guys, as you can see right there, the points can only be claimed once, and the invitation code cannot be modified after input. Users who receive points through cheating or other illegal means will be banned. And if your inviter has false advertising, so you guys, you can simply read through. So now this is one or the different method you can make use of to earn on this app. Don't worry guys, I'll show you how you can earn by reading right here on this platform. So guys, now let me quickly show you how you can earn money by reading right here. So you want to click on home right here. So now you still want to click on now I want you to take note of something. You want to focus on books that shows ongoing. As you can see right here, let me click on my every issue. So I want to click on that. So now guys, you simply earn money when you actually read books right here. As you can see right here, we have ongoing. And so guys, you simply want to click on the add to library or start reading. And guys, when you actually read this, you simply get paid for doing what you actually love. So guys, if you are getting value from this video, please uh like this video, subscribe if you're here to, also share with your friend. All right. And guys, so guys, this is how you can do this. And if you're done with this one, you can simply go to another one and also read, and you are going to earn points, and that is the point you can then redeem, all right, as paper money. So guys, now this is how you can redeem your points. You simply want to come right here to where you say redeem, and you can then convert this to paper money. So I'll simply show you how you can do that right here. So guys, as you can see right here, you need paper to actually cash out using this platform. So like I said, if you want me to show you how you can create a working paper that you can use for this, please let me know in the comment section. At least we need 20 comments for me to actually create this. So guys, as you can see right here, for 400,000 points you're going to earn $5, and for 800 points, 800,000 points, you're going to get $10, and so on. So guys, you need point, all right. So that's why I said you can also invite your friends to this platform, and you can then earn points, all right. So guys, for you to actually gain points when you've created your account, so guys, when you've created your account and for you to get instant points, please make use of this invitation code right here. You are going to get it displayed on your screen. So guys, this is how you can simply make money by reading books. And guys, if you got value, please like this video, subscribe, and also share with your friends. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you right in the next one.